Today we're going to complete our notes for our cell growth and reproduction unit. So this is our foldable on why cells divide. If you haven't put your foldable together already, go ahead and pause this video because you're going to need to have your foldable put together in order to complete this foldable. So now that our foldable is complete, we're going to take a look at the 3 reasons why cells need to divide. So starting over here on the far left, the first reason is for growth. So during the development of the multicellular organism, cells will divide in order to create a larger and more mature organism. So remember, one of our characteristics of all living things was that all living things grow and develop during their lifetime. In order for that growth and development to take place, we need cell division to provide those new cells. This growth of organisms will take place during all of its life stages. So during fetal development, when we would say the baby is still, developing in the womb, cell division is occurring all the way up through after it's been born, when we are old people, in our 90s. We are still undergoing cell division to become a larger, more mature organism. Okay? The second reason why cells divide is for repair. So lots of different types of cells can undergo cell division in order to create new cells if the tissue has become damaged or broken, due to some type of event. So, for example, skin cells will divide and repair damaged or broken skin tissue. So, if you get a paper cut or you scratch your knee, we don't just have gaping wounds forever. Eventually those cells will repair themselves. Not all cells can undergo cell division to repair themselves. Some cells, like nerve cells and brain cells, if they are damaged, they cannot repair themselves. This is why, again, a paper cut can be healed, but nerve damage cannot. So it just depends on the type of cell. And then the third reason why cells divide is for reproduction. So there are kind of 2 forms of reproduction that organisms can use. So some organisms will use cell division to form offspring by simply dividing in half. So you have the parent cell, and then it divides, and you form 2 identical daughter cells. So this is a type of asexual reproduction. This is going to be used by unicellular organisms like bacteria to make offspring. And then other organisms use a special form of cell division to form sex cells. So this would be sexual reproduction. So bacteria use asexual reproduction. So you start with the 1 parent bacteria and end with the 2 offspring bacteria. But for other organisms like humans, we will use a special form of cell division called meiosis to form sex cells, and then those sex cells will then go on to form offspring. So that is it for this foldable on why cells undergo cell division. So the 2 big ones, right, growth and repair, but then of course there's also reproduction. So asexual reproduction for unicellular organisms like bacteria, and then a special form of cell division known as meiosis to form sex cells for sexual reproduction. If you have any questions or concerns from these notes, please let me know.